I'm going all the way up 50, all the way to Hattiesburg.
I could drop you at the corner up there. All right. What's your name, man?
Genie.
Kenny.
Nice to meet you, brother. Appreciate it, man.
Nice meeting you, buddy. You mind being on YouTube?
Nope, don't mind at all.
There we go, folks. We got a guy and his dog over here. I'm doing my good deed for the day. And y'all stay tuned.
She's a big baby. He might try to jump up.
Come here, Scooby. He wants to get in the truck.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're right.
Scooby, you ain't going.
He's a rider.
Hey, Moffett Road's right up that way. You rather go that way.
You guys still going north?
Yeah. It's a lot busier over there, and it's a Walmart right there.
Walmart. Okay, bet.
Jump back in.
Bet.
There we go, folks. We got Kenny and Scooby-Doo.
Genie. Genie, like I Dream of Genie.
Oh, Genie?
Yes, he is. Genie.
Okay, Genie.
That's Scooby-Doo.
Oh, you're Genie.
Yeah, I'm Genie. This is Scooby-Doo.
All right. Yeah, I'll bring you up to Walmart over there.
Bet.
And we got Genie heading to Colorado, people. If you see him, pick him up.
Pick me up. I'm headed all the way.
Did you get directions?
Yes, sir.
All right.
So we're going all the way up, guys. I'm going to hit the 98, going all the way up into Hattiesburg. So if you see me, pick me up, yo.
Thank you. And have a safe trip.
Yes, sir. Y'all too. Thank you, brother.
There we go, folks. Do your good deeds, and he'll come back to help you out. That's Genie over there and his dog Scooby-Doo, and they're heading to Colorado. If you see them, pick them up, folks. And have a super duty day.